Can you fall asleep when you are trying so hard to sleep? No. Similarly, you cannot meditate when you are trying so hard to meditate. You just slip into it at some moment, devoid of any anxiety to meditate well or deeply or to achieve anything special or great is the ideal condition to arrive at a meditative state. So, even though we begin with the thought of divine light, that thought soon turns into a feeling. That is why I often define meditation as moving from thinking to feeling, from intellect to intuition, and from knowledge to actual experience.